Don't worry, I promise you guys tomorrow, you guys are gonna have a much bigger pen to sleep in. All right. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? You got all this room in here, and you're all just kind of staying under the heat lamp, huh? Hey, don't worry, you guys will get bigger. You get bigger and you want to come at me, I just know you will. Good morning, everybody. How you doing? I'm doing great. Today, it is very rainy out. Yes, very rainy. So I'm kind of a little worried about the chicks, but I'm gonna go down there and check on them. They should be fine. There's a heat lamp in there to keep them warm. I'm hoping everything's okay. So let's go check on them. Yeah, it's definitely raining a lot out here, and it seems we got some leaks in the roof going on right now. I'm definitely gonna have to fix that with some cementing paste or something eventually, just to make sure, because I mean, they're all back here right now. They're all behind this. But when they do get big, when they start getting out here, next time it rains, I don't want their feet getting wet, because if a chicken's feet gets wet and cold, then that can kill them. What's going on? Yeah. See, they're coming up to see me. What's going on, guys? You guys staying warm? Staying toasty? Telling each other campfire stories? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get you guys some food and water, okay? And you should be good for the day. What are you guys doing out here, huh? Were you worried about me? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Go ahead, go back in. Go back in. Get in there. Come on. Go, 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 go. I'm like a parent trying to keep my kids indoors. Trying to keep them from the outside world. There y'all go. There you go. Alright, I hate to do this to you, but I'm gonna have to take your food. Oh hush, I'm not taking your food, I'm taking your food containers. I probably should have worded that better. Alright, now who had the dry food? And who also had the dry food? You guys get hungry, don't you? My little babies. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to firmly sit down on the ground and see if they come to me. I kind of want these chicks to grow up to like me. So, you know, sometimes you just got to kind of sit with them and love on them and show them that you're not a threat. They're kind of coming out. Hey buddy, are you going to be the brave one to come out here? Hey, look at you. Oh. Hello. Oh, 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 hey, what do you come back for? I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, that's a Riley one. I think that's what I'm gonna name that one. I'm gonna name that one, that little white one right there. I'm gonna name that one Riley. Hey, where you going? There's still a lot of corn out here. That's good corn. Good corn. Alright, I'm gonna go home now. She's following me. Riley. Hey, Riley. Oh, she bit me. Hey. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. There she goes. Well, I say that's progress right there. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes and it's starting to come out. Okay. Yeah, hey. I'm not going to hurt you. Look at all you. Yeah. This isn't a very fun game, Riley. Where are you going? Oh, oh, oh. You coming at me? There we go. See? I'm paying you. I'm being nice.